going on, College Weekly? I'm Reza.
And I'm Eddie.
And this is the Delta Kappa chapter of Delta Kappa Epsilon here at Penn.
Welcome to the mansion.
So this is the Thunderdome. This is where we have most of our chapter meetings, alumni reunions, and pretty much everything in between.
Welcome to the Deke Archives. Some interesting facts about Deke. We had 5 presidents, both Bushes, both Roosevelts, and Rutherford B. Hayes.
So this is the backyard. We got people shooting hoops, grilling, doing work, hanging out. And of course we got slam ball, which is a must.
This is the fire escape here. We have a tradition here at Deke that once you graduate, you get to put your pledge name up on the wall here. So we got guys' names from probably 20, 30 years ago that we get to see every day as we walk down these stairs.
So this is our newly renovated second floor bathroom and showers. Not much to say really, just bathroom and things. So this is the Deke kitchen. We kind of do our own thing here, get it done by ourselves. Every brother has their food that whenever they want, they can come in here and cook up. So this is one of 2 main areas in our basement. We have a lot of our parties here, including our paint party, which is usually one of our biggest events.
So this is Muscle Beach. We call it that because it used to be a weight room back in the day. But now it's newly renovated. We like to hang out, play a little table tennis down here, let the boys be boys. Here at Deke, we got a lot of athletes in the fraternity, some rugby players, some football players. We win championships, baby, big rings.
This is Bogue's house cat. We've had him for a couple years now. He's tries to escape from time to time, but we love him. So we've got over 40 rooms here at Deke. We're about to show you guys what a few of our favorite setups look like.
So this is our typical single. It's pretty straightforward. You got enough room for a bed, couple couches, TV, desk, all the essentials.
So this is a pretty basic double setup. You got a lot of space, 2 beds, TV, PlayStation, some posters, everything you need and then some.
So we got the theater here. We've got a bunch of couches, a bed. You can fit all the guys in here. Watch football, movies, TV, anything.
So this is the 20th room on the 4th floor here in the house. Pretty nice spot, pretty big spot. We got the Xbox and Smash, of course. People like to hang out here.
Oh, what's up, guys? You call me during my office hours. I'm Kevin Hayes. I'm the president here this year. This is the president's suite where the magic happens. Whether we're listening to music, hanging with the boys, doing work, or handling house affairs. Check it out. All right, shout out to College Weekly for my New Era mini fridge. Keeps my milk cold for me.
So this is the swamp here. A lot of times people come here to hang out, sit down, watch TV, play some video games. Whenever alumni come back, if they've had a long night, usually they'll just crash right here on the bed. Great room to hang out and have a good time.
Thanks for stopping by Deke College Weekly. You got to see the Thunderdome, Muscle Beach, you even got to meet the cat.
What? Unlike the rest of you guys, we actually go to school here, so we got to get back to that.
So until next time, go Quakers!
Yeah!